Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Karim. I work with Optimus Healthcare in Bridgeport, Connecticut. I am the Ryan White Program Director. So basically, I have case managers that manage patients that have HIV. So, and we have to report certain performance measures to our funders, like we have to report like if they have to have like 2 visits a year with the medical provider, and also we have to monitor them every month. We have to sometimes help them like with food, emergency financial assistance to pay bills, gas or water or anything that can help them. So for that, uh, my case manager use certain tools like they do an intake in Epic, that is our electronic health record, and also they do put it in another system called Careware that HERSA own. So that's for me. It's if I want to see certain things, I have to go to all those systems. So I had to come up with something that I can track where we are. So uh, I was exploring things. So now with the AI, I was trying to see if I can do it with the AI. So I went to use Claude. So I'm gonna share my screen, and basically what I did, I created a prompt that I'm gonna put on Claude, and then I'm gonna say, Claude, I want you to create a tracker, an Excel workbook, a tracker. So that's what I did. Let me share. So, do you guys see my screen?
Yes.
So, I created two prompts. So, I created the first one. I created a prompt. I just put on the prompt whatever I come to my mind. I don't care about like how it's worded in the prompt. I just say whatever like I want to see on the workbook. So when when I'm done, I went to Claude. Okay, so I went to Claude AI, and then I copied it here. So I just put it on Claude. So one thing I just realized with Claude, because I was just learning how you work with Claude, it's always at the end. I always put in my prompt. I say here, ask me clarifying questions one at a time until you are 95% confident you can build like a fully functional tracker. So what is the difference between that and not doing it? Like when I'm not putting that condition here, it's just going to build something and then it's just going to throw it to me. And if it's not good, I have also to maybe put on the chat other things I want to do. So when I did that, it start asking me question. And also I said one at a time. If not, it's gonna give me, if it has like 20 questions, it's gonna put me all those 20 questions at the same time. And then I'm gonna have to go back on the answer and looking for what are the questions. But here, when I said like one at a time, it sent me, you see here, like after I put it, it starts asking me questions.
It's not
So
showing Claude yet. Did you mean to show the Claude window?
it doesn't. Okay, let me
No, we
show
still
it.
see the document.
Yeah, sorry.
That's okay.
It's okay. I think Zoom, you have to share every time you have something. You have to. Okay, let me go again. Okay, so do you see this, Claude? Claude?
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, so this one here, like, is I opened Claude, and then I went to Claude. I paste my prompt. I put it on the prompt here. So when I put the prompt, at the start, I said I just ask me question like clarification for every single thing like you need to know, so you can build the tracker. So that was the first question, and then it took some time because every time it sent me a question, I have to look at the question and then provide an answer. So and then I went until I came here, and then so it said at the end here, it said I'm now 95% confident. So it started building something. So basically what it built me something like that look like this. Let me share it again. Okay. So it comes up with this. So what you see here, it's like a dashboard. So for me as a manager, like I'm gonna see this and I can't see everything else, but this is what is the most important thing. So here I'm gonna share with with my case managers. So they're gonna put like a patient ID. They're gonna put like patient names, and then they're gonna put their phone number, PCP. They're gonna put like a first visit, second visit, all the things I want to track. So and then I put a condition there. Every time like something is like someone who have an insurance, if their insurance is about to expire, like say like 1 month before like expiration day, to set to color code it like orange. If it's like expired or it's like overdue, it's gonna be red. So that's they're gonna see it. So I went also ahead to see if I can make it like an email notification. So it tells me here, yes, I can do it, and then it gave me like an instruction how to do it. So that instruction is like you go, you open your Excel workbook, and then it tells you all the thing you do, and then it did even like build a code that I can just copy and then paste. So it's gonna automate everything. So like I can say like every week, whatever is expiring like within a month, you send me like every month. Whatever is like expired and overdue, send it every day. Send it every day to the case manager, or send it every day to the case manager and myself. That way, like we are on top of it. We can verify or if the patients have their insurance, if they have everything they need. So that was the first thing I did with Claude. And then because with Claude is every time like you ask Claude to do something like that, and then you start going back and forth, it consumes a lot of tokens. So to avoid that, you can go on ChatGPT, create a prompt. So that's what I did for the second one. I did that. I went to ChatGPT. I said, ChatGPT, what I want to create. I said, build me a prompt with like to put in Claude to have a tracker. So I'm gonna share that prompt. I'm not used to use Zoom to share my screen.
You're doing a great job.
Okay.
We see Claude now.
Okay, yes, I want to show the ChatGPT I did. Okay. Okay, no, not this one. This one is the ChatGPT. Okay, I think I need to go to Claude. Okay, I'm gonna share it again. Okay. So do you see my screen? Oh, not yet. Not yet.
We
Not
see
yet.
we see
Okay.
Claude go.
Okay. So now, do you see it?
Yes.
So I went to ChatGPT. I I created all that big text here. So, and then at the end also, I asked ChatGPT the same question. I said, ask me clarifications, clarifying questions one at a time until 95% confident that the prompt capture all I want to see in the tracker. So it started, and then it started asking me questions until the end, and then here it built a big prompt. So this is the prompt. That's a prompt that is for Claude. So it's all this. So when I got this prompt, so what I did, I copied the prompt. So, and then also it gave me a tip here. It said like before generating the final workbook, identify any assumptions you are making and then proceed using it. So that is just to check if like Claude have anything that's like, hey, this is not something you can do. And one of them is like, I was thinking like you can just in Excel just do a formula that's gonna make things sent to you by email. So it's telling me you cannot do that. You have to do another step so you can get that. So when I get that, I went to Claude and then I pasted in Claude. I'm just gonna share that. So do you see my screen? So I went to Claude. So I put this. I pasted here. So and then it built one, and then this time the one it built is way better because I had like a prompt that was more complete. I'll show you just what I built. The second one I built is okay. So I don't know if you see my screen. Hello?
Yes, we can see
Yes.
it. Sorry.
Okay, so so the second one when I did with ChatGPT, so it built this. So it's more complete, it's more colorful like you see, and it has like the manager dashboard is more complete. It gives me everything. So and then it gave me like how it's set up, and then it gives me like for the case managers, every single case manager have their own tab. So so now what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna share with them. They're gonna put their patients. They're gonna put everything, the data in, and then for me, every day I come, it's just here. I go here in the dashboard. I see what I have here, and also I can set up here it made me set up like those buttons so I can send everything that is weekly expiring. I can set up all of those just by clicking those buttons. And then also the case manager, just when they put it here, it's already in like once a time. And I also made sure like it's not gonna make their job like harder. So I just like most of those things are things that are already like they don't need to put it every day. It's once like maybe a month. And then the monitoring for like phone call here, like where like because we call our patients like every month to see if they have any needs or something like that. And I really need to be on top of that, like to see if like all our patients are served. So still I have to test it and to see if like the color coding is working and the emails are working. So just the two take aways I can say is like if you're gonna do something with Claude can't do a lot of things, but if you wanna do it and you don't wanna, if you don't have like a pro subscriptions, or you have a pro but you don't wanna burn like tokens, uh, always try to use you try to create a prompt with the ChatGPT or Gemini, and then that prompt you put it on Claude. That way you just have what you have what you want without going back and forth. Because every time you ask Claude something, Claude have to reiterate all your chat, and then it burn a lot of tokens. And the other things, it's like there is a lot of things you can build with Claude. Not only the tracker, you can build a dashboard. You can build even like a web page if you want with one prompt without spending all day like working on an Excel worksheet.